आज हमारी डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल कमेटी की मीटिंग थी टू डिटरमाइन द फॉरेस्ट राइट क्लेम्स ऑफ विलेज ज़ारमे, दाबरेम, मलोली एंड सातरे. Today our district level committee, all the members, public representatives, DCF, SDO, member secretary from the tribal welfare department, all of us gathered here in the office of the deputy collector to determine the claims of all these villages. And now, as per the direction of honorable chief minister, we are holding a meeting every week to expedite the disposal of all the pending applications or the forest right cases of all the villages in the Satari Taluka. Our target is to complete this by the month of December. So we are every week we are trying to hold one meeting and dispose of all the cases.
Till now, how many cases are cleared?
So exact number, I will give you the exact number how many cases are there. So every week around 100 cases, 70, 80 cases we are disposing of. Total there are around more than 2000 cases are there. And I think we have disposed of around 700 to 800 cases till now. And every week we are holding a meeting to dispose of roughly 100 cases or so are disposed of every week. So we by holding regular meetings and in between we have organized special camps also. Our target we will be able to achieve our target of completing this by the month of December.